Hello guys, how are you? It's really chilly today. Wind is like so chilly, and that's why I'm wearing a hoodie. I hope you are able to see me clearly, or maybe I can just adjust my screen, my phone. I hope you are seeing me well enough. I'll just do it anyways. So actually I came to record this message which came to me when I was standing here. uh, so I can't show you from here, but I am like at the 15th floor of it, like the terrace, like it's a 14 floor building, and I am standing on the terrace, and I was just looking out, and I felt so small when I was looking uh, at all the buildings, all the vehicles, all the trees. I felt just like when I was at my home, when I am there like walking on street or like in a mall in between people. I feel so small, that I feel so insignificant. I feel like everything is going against me. But now when I'm standing here at the terrace and I'm able to see that the whole world, so I feel like I am truly small and insignificant, and so are my problems, and so are my insecurities, and so are my wishes. Like, I want this kind of money, I want this kind of status, I want this kind of clothes, I want this kind of people around me. No matter what I wish for, it's so small. And all this time I was thinking like, oh, I'm so insignificant. You know what I mean? Like, we are so hard on ourselves, like we are so insignificant, sorry. We are so insignificant if we don't have this job, this title, this kind of money, this car, this and that. And now I feel like everything is so insignificant. What all I have been asking for, all what I have been wishing for, is so insignificant. I mean, insignificant not in the sense that my wishes are not valid. They are valid. I want things, yes. I want money, I want family, I want life, I want a good life, I want good people around me, yes. But they are valid, but they are so small. When you look outside, like, there are so many people, so many things going on, and we are stuck in our head like, oh, what if this happens, oh, what if that happens, oh, what will I do if this happens. I'm like, it's for me as well. But I just, when I came on the terrace, and I was just looking outside, and I felt like, what, why have I been so worried? ऐसा हो गया तो वैसा हो गया तो, if what if this happens, what if that happens, what they think about me, what are they talking about me, blah 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 and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? And now I feel like, wow, I think sometimes miracles happens in the weirdest places. Like, who would have thought that I would come on a terrace? Like, I haven't visited terrace like I in a long time. Nope. Today I just came because it was chilly, and like sun was bright on the roof, so I just came. And no, this message came to me from nowhere. So I just thought that I should be sharing this message for whoever needs to listen to this, who are so stuck in their mind that what if this happens, what if this doesn't happen, what if I lose my job, what if I don't have that amount of money, whatever. Everything is insignificant. I'm sorry, I stuttered. I'm just so overwhelmed by this message that I'm like, what? What was I doing all this time? All my efforts like feel so insignificant. Like I was struggling for no reason. It's just so simple. Anyways, I hope this message finds you when you need it the most, and I send healing energy to you. Bye. Have a good day.